All right, let's jump right into a question that honestly feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it's actually one of the oldest mysteries there is. Why are we here in these physical bodies?
I mean, really stop and think about it for a second. If there's a whole spiritual side to life, why are we struck with biology? Why all this stuff? Well, it turns out the answers suggest you have a cosmic role that is way bigger and frankly a lot weirder than you probably ever thought. So let's get into it.
Okay, so to figure out why we have bodies, we first have to zoom way out and look at the universe itself. And the big idea here, the foundation for everything else, is that this cosmos, it's no accident. It's purpose-built.
And hey, this isn't some new age idea. We're talking centuries ago. Thinkers like Nicholas of Cusa were saying that nothing exists by chance. Every single thing, from a planet millions of light years away to the smallest bug, is a specific, unique thought from a creator made real. It's here because it was meant to be here.
And then you have another brilliant mind, Gregory of Nyssa, who took it even a step further. He saw what he called a wise and organizing reason. The Greeks called it a logos, just woven into the very fabric of reality. The universe isn't just a chaotic jumble of atoms. It's a deeply rational system, just humming with intelligence.
This diagram just lays it all out perfectly. You can see the flow, right, from this pure idea, this creator intellect, all the way down into what we see and touch as natural forms. So here's the takeaway. The material world isn't a bug, it's not a prison, it's the physical expression of a divine thought. It's a feature, not a flaw.
Okay, so the universe is intentional. It's rational. But what about us? Where do we fit in all this? Well, this is where we find the human clue. It seems like we are very specifically designed to be a kind of living bridge, a bridge between two completely different worlds.
Think about it this way. You've got the extremes. On one hand, you have an animal. It experiences the world in a totally physical, sensory way. It sees the what. Then, on the other hand, you have a being of pure spirit, an angel, who only perceives the spiritual realm. They see the why. Both are seeing part of the truth, but neither one is getting the full picture.
And boom, that's where we come in. We are this incredible unity in duality. We're the one place where spirit and matter perfectly mix. We have what one theologian called a double range of senses. With our eyes, we see the physical world, sure, but with our minds, with our consciousness, we can also perceive the meaning, the beauty, the reason inside it. We are the only creature that can stand with a foot in both worlds at the same time.
So let's recap. We're in a purposeful universe, and we're the bridge between its two sides. This brings us right to the big reveal. Why the body? What's our actual job description in this whole cosmic setup? Well, it's nothing less than a full-on cosmic mission. And there it is. The reason you have a body made of flesh and bone isn't a weakness. It's not a bug. It is the single most essential tool you have for the most important job in the entire universe. Your body is what qualifies you for this mission.
So what is this mission? The theologian Dumitru Stăniloae breaks it down beautifully into 3 steps. First, we connect. We use our 5 senses, touch, taste, sight, everything, to just experience the physical world. Then, this is where the magic happens, we spiritualize it. We don't just see a tree, right? We feel its strength, we feel gratitude for its shade. We get inspired and write a song about it. We pour consciousness and meaning and love into that raw matter. And finally, we elevate it. In that very moment of appreciation, we take that piece of the material world and, in our hearts and minds, we offer it back to its source. But now it's understood, it's sanctified.
Just as Stăniloae says here, our bodies make us mediators and priests of the entire cosmos. Think about that. Without us, the physical universe is silent. It exists, but it can't know itself. It can't appreciate itself. But through us, through our bodies and our consciousness, the whole cosmos gets a voice. It finally gets to sing.
Now, what's so wild about all this is that it isn't just some abstract idea to think about. If this is true, it comes with a massive, almost staggering cosmic responsibility. For you, right here, right now.
I mean, your body isn't separate from the world around you. It's literally made of the same stuff as the stars, the same earth and water as everything else. We are deeply, fundamentally tied to the cosmos. And what that means is our own spiritual journey, our salvation, and the ultimate destiny of the universe, they're not 2 different things. They are completely and totally intertwined.
So what does this look like in real life? It means realizing your destiny is inseparable from the world's destiny. It means understanding that your smallest conscious action, how you pet your dog, whether you bother to recycle something, the care you put into your work, that stuff sends a ripple through the whole system.
And it means accepting that we have a total responsibility, not just for ourselves, but for how we interact with all of creation.
So the next time you think about your body, its aches and canes, its strengths, this weird journey it's on, remember what it might be for. It's not a cage for your spirit. It's the bridge. It's the very tool designed for a cosmic task. And that leaves us with one last, really big question. If your body is the bridge for the universe, what are you going to carry across it?